Hello everybody, welcome back to Drunken Sailor. I am Bill, your Drunken Sailor, and today we are making another cocktail. Surprise, surprise. We're going to do something a little bit different. Today we are going to make a dessert cocktail. Of course, you can always have dessert before dinner too. That's always good. So, join me as we make the Tiramisu Martini. Let's get pouring. First thing we do is grab our shaker tin. And we are going to put in there 2 ounces of freshly brewed espresso, and then we've chilled it. Next thing we're going to put in there is 3/4 of an ounce of creme de cacao. Now with this recipe you can use the white creme de cacao, you can use the dark, whatever you've got. It's a dark cocktail, so it doesn't matter if you use the white or the dark. Next ingredient in there is 1/2 ounce of simple syrup, equal parts sugar and water. And our final ingredient in there is 1.5 ounces of Amaretto. Today we're using Trader Vic's Amaretto. And I kind of like this. I think it's got a better flavor profile than one of the other popular Amarettos. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add some ice in there. And this is going to chill, it's going to dilute, and it's going to help aerate. Pop the top on that, and now we're going to give this a good shake. Now, next step is a chilled glass. Make sure you ice this down. That's really, really important because it looks good, keeps your drink cold, and it looks good. We pour. Nice, thick, creamy. Got a little layer of foam on the top. And last but not least, our garnish. We're using cocoa powder. And the more, the better. And there you go. Today's cocktail, the Tiramisu Martini.